So it's day 24 of Vlogmas. I'm going to give you a little tour of my Christmas decorations. We're getting ready to go to our Christmas Eve party. If you'd like to see the Christmas decorations in my house and a little bit about my tree, be sure to watch this video. Hi everybody, Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Eve, Vlogmas day 24. And today I'm doing a little bit of a tour of my Christmas decorations. I am getting ready to go to our Christmas Eve dinner, candlelight dinner at my niece's house. So I'll be giving you information on that tomorrow, so stay tuned. So I'm going to just share with you some of my Christmas decorations on this Christmas Eve. I've been busy getting everything ready, so I have completed it and I'm ready for Christmas to come. So if you'd like to see our house for Christmas, come on along and share the time with me. It's Christmas Eve, day 24 of Vlogmas. Believe in the magic. Here's a couple of my shelf sitters hang out with me in the kitchen. My snowman is hanging out on the wall. Of course, you've seen this sign before. My Christmas villages on a shelf. There's Santa, wrapped up around the antenna. There's my tree, all ready for Christmas. And the angel sitting on top. All of my ornaments mean something. There's a picture of my mother-in-law who passed away about 12 years ago. So my husband always hangs that ornament. A picture of me with my grandkids. Here's when we went to Disney 30 years ago when my daughter was a little girl. There's Papa and Grandma, their family names except one's missing, Ellie. There's when my daughter was born, one of my twins in 1990. Here's an ornament my daughter had made for me for this year. There is a paper gingerbread man that my daughter made when she was in preschool. So that's about 20-something years ago. A Las Vegas ornament from when we visit there. There's an ornament from 1999 with all my kids' names and my husband. There's one for my son's first Christmas. Here's one my nephew cross-stitched in 1986. Still hanging on our tree. Merry Christmas from another time we visited Disney World. And Grambling angel ornament. Of course, you know I like to gamble. Here's another ornament that was made in 1991. Footprints and handprints of my 1-year-old at the time. There's an ornament my daughter made me because I like to play poker, and run good means when you get good hands in poker. Shuffle up and deal. That's for me being a poker dealer. This is one I've had since 1983 when we had our puppy. But Sunny is gone now, but I still have the home. I still have the doghouse, but the dog is missing. This is from New Orleans when we went on a cruise. My daughter when she was 3 or 4. a fishing ornament because we like to fish. The greatest gift is a friend. This is when we took my twins to Twins Day in 1992. There's another gambling ornament from Las Vegas. I guess there's a theme going on there. Son's ornament from Chewbacca. He loved Star Wars when he was a little younger. Be merry. Enjoy the holiday. Tomorrow these will all be ripped open and Christmas will be wrapping up. It's a picture of me and my dad when I was little, when I was older, and then me and my mom. And that is something I made for my husband with his mom. Merry Christmas from my house to yours. My niece made me this blanket many years ago. Daddy snowman, mommy snowman, and 3 kiddos. And I bring it out every year at Christmas time. That's the kind of gifts I like, sentimental gifts. I like to receive them, and I like to give them. This is the kind of sentimental gifts I like to receive. My daughter made this for me for this Christmas. That's my family when we're older, and then right here when they were younger. And there is my grandchildren. And my daughter is not here with me today. She is in Kansas. And that was her gift to me. We celebrated around Thanksgiving when she was visiting. Merry Christmas, Sarah. I miss you and love you. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.